Masters of Ceremony karong buntaga no si Miss Annalyn Nagang and John Francis Pakatang. Happy morning!
Happy morning!
Are you all happy today?
Yes!
God, bitaw na nahubaan ko kay actually ang program gabi pa ko nakabasa. No, jawa ko kay bago sa ang istorya. Okay? But anyway, before anything else, no, gusto ngayon ko pangatahuran sa ato ang atong halagdong mayor, Honorable Raymond Gallardo Hala, may nag-be here with us this morning, pero I know ang iyaha kasi nga nauban ka na to. Siguro na ay prior commitment si Mayor Caron. Sa ato ang college president, I believe na ay seminar si Doc Marlon, and then sa ato ang South Director, Doc Marvin Bungato, and then Ma'am Kem. Sa atong LYDO, napod siya seminar karong buntaga. And I believe ato ang mga speakers, maabot sila sa ilahang scheduled na oras siguro sa ilahang kung kano sila mo deliver sa ilahang speech. And then to our beloved faculty and staff sa CDL, to of course to our bright, brave, and beautiful young leaders. Again, happy morning!
Happy morning!
Kaya ko din kong pagtahod sa ito ang operator, Leonardo, mga buntagla. Okay, I am here with you today, not just an SB member and a committee chair on education, but as someone who believes in you. Sometimes even more than you believe in yourselves. Namin yung anak ko. Today's theme now, lead with heart, grow with purpose, from vision to action, from heart to impact, speaks leadership. But behind every leader is a human story. A story that is sometimes painful, sometimes funny, but always real. And today I want to talk about the part of leadership we seldom acknowledge. The part that hurts, yes, it hurts. The part that heals and the part that transforms. Because behind every confident leader you see today is a young person who once cried quietly because they felt they weren't enough. Behind every strong voice is someone who once struggled to speak. Behind every achiever is someone who stayed awake at night wondering, am I doing enough? Am I really meant for this? You see, leadership is not about standing tall. Sometimes, leadership is about learning to stand again after life pushes you down. And some of you here, you came today with hidden battles. Naan? Yes. Some of you lead your organizations while hiding your own anxieties. Correct? Some of you smile so your parents don't worry. And some of you wake up tired but still show up because someone depends on you. Some of you have dreams bigger than the circumstances you were born into. And some of you are fighting silent fights that nobody ever sees. No, why nakakita? Kamura. To all of you, your strength humbles me, your courage inspires me. You know, your heart is your leadership. Meaning, your kindness, compassion, and sincerity are the real reasons you are a leader. Leadership also means dealing with group mates who disappear until the deadline, officers who reply, noted po, but do nothing. Now, and classmates who only show up when there's food. Nakasulti ko ani tungod kay I was once a young leader also in school, and tingan anak kanang awong mga kaubanan no kanang magdepende ra nimo. Okay, so see, even great leaders cry, but they still laugh after. But let me go back to what truly matters: your heart. Your impact is not measured by how loud your voice is, but how deeply you care. How gently you listen, how bravely you stand for what is right, how quietly you lift others even when no one is watching. To our dear teachers, Thank you so much for raising children who try best even when life gets difficult. I know your sacrifices echo in their achievements. Many of them are leaders today because you never gave up on them. And to our dear students, let me say this as gently, as truthfully as I can. One day, people will clap for you. Emotional ko. But they will, gabira ko pagsuwatan niya. But they will never know the nights you cried, the times you almost quit, the pain you turned into purpose. Only you will know. And that is what makes you a leader. As your committee chair on education, I want you to remember, we see you, we believe in you, we are rooting for you. Whatever path you take, whatever dreams you chase, Lobok stands behind you. Keep going, even when you're tired, even when you're unsure, even when you're scared. Because the world needs the kind of leader you are becoming, one with heart, one with compassion, one with courage. Lead with heart. Mao jud niya akong ikasulti ninyo, no? Lead with heart. Grow with purpose. Turn your vision into action. And let your heart create impact that will echo beyond this room, behind this Children's Palace, behind CDL, and behind this moment. Okay? Daghang salamat, and may you continue to nurture the beautiful leader within you. Again, thank you so much and good morning.
Thank you so much.